So good news, Unreal Engine developers. Now FAB it's integrated within the engine and it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you how now. It's super easy. You just need to go to the green plus icon, go to FAB, and now you will see that you have the FAB content. So as soon as you just find an asset that you want, you just click on add project and automatically it will just create a content folder for you with FAB or the name of the project that you just downloaded. So you can just go here, for example, and you can just download any asset from here. So let me just go for search for Quixel. And let me just grab this one and I will try to download just a low quality just for now. And I can just click add to project and it will add. And now I can have my static mesh working here inside the engine and it will come with all the materials and everything. So the same can be done with all the projects that you have. So for example, I can go to my library and I have a bunch of projects that I have and I can just click on one of those, like for example, like this one, and I can just click add to project and automatically it will just create a folder for me. It will just ask you like which version you want. You can just accept the terms and everything. Just check the version. And so for example, 4.27 and add to project. And now you will see that it starts downloading the assets. And as soon as it's finished, it will actually show into my content folder. So I have like, for example, this asset pack that I download from my library is one of the isometric demos. Let me see if I can find it. It's somewhere around here. There you go. So isometric world, like I can just click add to project and now you instantly have it here. Now this is very nice. Now you don't need to leave the engine. Yeah, now you can just browse with the content browser here, select the project that you want to migrate and automatically it will create a folder for you, which is fantastic. Now we don't need to go back to the website, download the assets, especially for Quixel. For those of you who use a lot of Quixel, it's being actually fixed now. Now you can just directly import your Quixel assets. And the good thing is it will also come with a material and a master material that it is updated for the new versions of Unreal. So this is great. This is pretty good stuff. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the new FAB in 5.6? If you want to learn more about Unreal Engine development, take a look at our channel, have tons of free resources for you, and we'll see you in the next one.